Morocco has received its first batch of Bayraktar Akinci drones from Turkey, as part of an agreement reportedly signed in 2023. The news was confirmed by Rabat's semi-official military outlet, FAR Maroc, which stated that the delivery marks a significant step in strengthening the relationship between the Royal Moroccan Air Force and Turkey's defense industry. While the exact number of drones delivered has not been disclosed, the milestone signals the start of efforts to bring the advanced systems to operational status. In November 2024, local media reported that Morocco was preparing for the arrival of its first Bayraktar Akinci drones. High-altitude, long-endurance capabilities. Developed by Turkish manufacturer Baykar, the Akinci drone is designed to conduct a wide range of missions, including precision strikes, surveillance, and command and control operations. It boasts a maximum altitude of 40,000 feet and can stay airborne for up to 20 hours. Additionally, the Akinci can reach speeds of up to 250 knots, 287 miles per hour, and has an operational range of 5,000 kilometers. One of its standout features is its dual artificial intelligence-enabled avionics, which facilitate advanced signal processing, sensor fusion, and real-time situational awareness. The drone is capable of carrying various munitions, including the Sirat missile, the Bozok Mini Smart Munition, -83 Malawian Quachas guided bombs, and Gokdagan or Bozdagan air-to-air missiles. Morocco's acquisition of the Akinci drones follows a previous deal for 13 Bayraktar TB2 drones, valued at $70 million. The TB2 drones have arrived in multiple batches, with the latest delivery taking place just last month. These procurements are part of an expanding defense cooperation between Rabat and Ankara, which includes collaboration in electronic systems, smart solutions, and unmanned aerial platforms.